Well, when we're gonna be switching the suspension out of the '07 Tacoma. This is the 5-lug design for the base model. What we have here is a completely different suspension setup than the 6-lug model or the higher trim. And a lot of videos are showing us to just pop off this ball joint and then take it out and stuff like that. What I ended up doing is just take off the 2 bolts right here that holds the upper control arm up, and this whole assembly will just fall backwards. And after it falls backwards, you can just take the strut out pretty easily. Don't know why everyone's telling us to take off this when I literally destroyed a perfectly good ball joint for no fucking reason. Like, you can see it's fucking oozing over here.
That's not good.
Anyways, so yeah, take this whole entire assembly out. All you have to do is 17 down here where a bolt should be. This one right here. It's 19 or 3/4 socket, and then you have 12 mil for the brake line, and then 10 mil for the ABS cable, and then also a 10 mil for the ABS cable, and you just take off the plug. There's also 3 nuts, 1, 2, and 1 behind here. 14. And make sure to also plug back your ABS sensor, or else you might have an ABS code. And the reason why I have the jacked up onto the lower control arm is to push this upper control arm to when it's on the road. It already has a preload, so it doesn't wear the rubber bushing faster. Same thing for the bottom part of the strut. For the lower control arm to shock the lower part, that torques down to 100 foot-pounds. And then these 2 right here for the upper control arm goes to 85 foot-pounds. And then that's it. That's how you swap the front end strut on an '07 base model Toyota Tacoma 5-lug version. So yeah.